Send button.
Hi, hello, namaste. This is Ramarao. You're watching Ramarao Damaraju YouTube channel. Please do subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Friends, with the help of Humanity Organization, I am giving information regarding groups in my channel. I thank Humanity Organization for giving me this opportunity to post these kind of videos in my channel. Thank you so much. If I talk about Humanity Organization, they are working for visual impaired persons. They are doing in 13 countries across the world. They are providing scribes for visual impaired. They are giving audio materials. They are giving study materials. They can provide you at in any language like English, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, etc. with free of cost. They are not even expecting single paisa. So friends, encourage Humanity Organization and also my channel. Do subscribe my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.
Send.
NCERT Geography Book, Class 7, Lesson 5, Water. When you think of water, what images come to your mind? You think of rivers, the waterfalls, the pitter-patter of raindrops, water in your taps. Children love to float paper boats in rain puddles. By noon, the puddles vanish. Where does the water go? The sun's heat causes evaporation of water into vapor. When the water vapor cools down, it condenses and forms clouds. From there, it may fall on the land or sea in the form of rain, snow, or sleet. The process of which water continuously changes its form and circulates between oceans, atmosphere, and land is known as a water cycle. Our earth is like a terrarium. The same water that exists centuries ago still exists today. The water used to irrigate a field in Haryana may have flowed down the Amazon River 100 years ago. The major sources of fresh water are the rivers, ponds, springs, and glaciers. The ocean bodies, the sea contains salty water. The water of the ocean is salty or saline as it contains large amount of dissolved salts. Most of the salt is sodium chloride or the common table salt that you eat. Now we will see what is terrarium. Terrarium is an artificial enclosure for keeping small house plants. We'll make an activity, make your own terrarium. Fill 1/4 of a big jar with soil and press it well. Put a thin layer of humus on top of it. Plant the largest plants first and then arrange the smaller ones around them. Spray the arrangement with water and close the jar. The water that evaporates from the leaves and soil condenses and falls back in the form of drops of water. Now, distribution of water bodies. We all know that 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water. If there is more water than land on the earth, why do so many countries face water scarcity? Is all the water on earth available to us? The following table gives the distribution of water in percentage. Oceans 97.3% saline water. The rest is fresh water. Ice caps 2%, groundwater 0.68%, freshwater lakes 0.009%, inland seas and sand salt lakes 0.009%, atmosphere 0.0019%, rivers 0.0001%, total 100%. Water distribution can be demonstrated by a simple activity. Take 2 liters of water. Let it represent the total water on the surface of the earth. Measure out 12 spoons of water from this vessel into another bowl. The water is left behind in the vessel represent the salty water found in oceans and seas. This water is obviously not fit for consuming. It is saline, contains salts. The 12 spoons of water that was taken in a bowl is the total amount of fresh water on the earth. The figure shows us the distribution of the fresh water. See for yourself how much water can actually be used by you. Water is absolutely essential for survival. Water alone can quench our thirst when we are thirsty. Now, don't you think we are wasting our precious resources when we use water carelessly? Now, tell me, give answer for this. Why is water important for us? Water is absolutely essential for survival. Water alone can quench our thirst when we are thirsty. So, water is very important for us. Suggest some ways in which water can be conserved. A. In your home. In your home, you can close the tap when you are washing clothes, when you are scrubbing your hand, when you are scrubbing your vessels, when you are brushing, and save water. In your school, you can close the tap when you are washing your vessels, washing your tiffin boxes, and washing your hand. And if there is any leak in the water, you have to tell immediately for them to repair it. So you can save water in school. Ocean circulation. There is something magical about walking bare feet on the seashore. The wet land on the beach, the cool breeze, the seabirds, the smell of the salt in the air, and music of the waves. Everything is so fascinating. Unlike the calm waters of ponds and lakes, ocean water keeps moving continuously. It is still. The movement that occurs in ocean can be broadly categorized as waves, tides, currents. Waves. When you are playing throw ball on the beach and the ball falls into the water, what happens? It is fun to watch how the ball gets washed back to the shore by the waves. When the water on the surface of the ocean rises and falls alternatively, they are called waves. During a storm, the wind blows very high speed from huge waves. They form huge waves. These may cause tremendous destruction. An earthquake, a volcanic eruption, or underwater landslide can shift large amount of ocean water. As a result, a huge tidal wave called tsunami that may be as high as 15 meter is formed. 15 meter. The largest tsunami ever measured was 150 meter, 150 meter high. These waves travel at the speed of more than 700 km per hour. 700 km, 700 km per hour. The tsunami of 2004, that is the year 2004, caused widespread damage in the coastal area of India. The Indira Point in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands got submerged after the tsunami. We will see the small do you know activities here. Salinity is the amount of salt in the grams present in 1000 grams of water. The average salinity of the ocean is 35 parts per thousand. Do you know Dead Sea in Israel has salinity of 340 grams per liter of water. Swimmers can float in it because the increased salt content makes it dense. Do you know March 22nd is celebrated as World Water Day when the need to conserve water is reinforced in different ways. Do you know waves are formed when winds scrape across the ocean surface? The stronger the wind blows, the bigger the wave becomes. Do you know tsunami is a Japanese word that means harbor waves, as the harbors get destroyed whenever there is tsunami. Tsunami, the earth's pandemonium. 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 Tsunami. Tsunami. T is silent here. Tsunami. Tsunami or the harbor wave struck havoc in the Indian Ocean on the 26th December 2004. The wave was a result of the earthquake that had its epicenter close to the western boundary of Sumatra. The magnitude of the earthquake was 9.0 on the Richter scale, Richter, Richter scale. As the Indian plate went into the Burma plate, there was a sudden movement of the sea floor causing the earthquake. The ocean floor was displaced by about 10 to 20 meters and tilted in a downwardly direction. A huge mass of ocean water flowed to fill in the gap that was being created by the displacement. This marked the withdrawal of the water mass from the coastlines of land masses in the South and Southeast Asia. After thrusting of the Indian plate below the Burma plate, the water mass rushed back towards the coastline. Tsunami traveled at a speed of about 800 km per hour, 800 km per hour, comparable to speed of a commercial aircraft, and completely washed away some of the islands in the Indian Ocean. The Indra Point in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands that marked the southmost point of India got completely submerged. As the wave moved from earthquake epicenter from Sumatra towards the Andaman Island and Sri Lanka, the wave length decreased with a decreasing depth of water. The travel speed also declined from 700 to 900 km per hour to less than 70 km per hour. Tsunami waves traveled up to a depth of 3 km from the coast, killing more than 10,000 people and affected more than a lakh of houses. In India, the worst affected were the coastal areas of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Puducherry, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. While the earthquake cannot be predicted in advance, it is possible to give 3 hours notice of a potential tsunami. Such early warning systems are in place across the Pacific Ocean, but not in the Indian Ocean. Tsunamis are rare in the Indian Ocean as the seismic activity seismic activity is less as compared to the Pacific. The tsunami that ravaged the South and Southeast Asian coast in December 2004 is the most devastating tsunami in the last hundreds of years. The large damage caused to life and property was primarily a result of lack of monitoring the early warning signs and knowledge among the coast dwellers of Indian Ocean. The first indication that tsunami is approaching is a rapid withdrawal of water from the coastal region, followed by destructive wave. When this happened on the coast, instead of people going to high ground, they started assembling at the coast to view the miracle. As a consequence, there was a large casualty of curious onlookers when the gigantic wave tsunami struck. Tides. The rhythmic rise and fall of ocean water twice in a day is called tide. It is high tide when water covers much of the shore by rising to its highest level. It is low tide when water falls to its lowest level and recedes from the shore. The strong gravitational pull exerted by the sun and the moon on the earth's surface causes the tides. The water of the earth closer to the moon gets pulled under the influence of the moon's gravitational force and causes high tide. During the full moon and new moon days, the sun, the moon, and the earth are in the same line and the tides are highest. These tides are called spring tides. But when the moon is in its first and last quarter, the ocean water gets drawn in diagonally opposite direction by the gravitational pull of sun and moon, resulting in low tides. These tides are called neap tides, N-E-A-P, neap tides. High tides help in navigation. They raise the water level close to the shore. This helps the ship to arrive at the harbor more easily. The high tides also helps in fishing. Many more fish comes closer to the shore during the high tide. The rise and the fall of water due to the tides is being used to generate electricity in same places. Continuation of the lesson water from geography book class 7. Ocean currents. Ocean currents are streams of water flowing constantly on the ocean surface in definite direction. The ocean currents may be warm or cold. Generally, the warm ocean currents originate near the equator and move towards the poles. The cold currents carry water from polar or higher latitudes to tropical or lower latitudes. The Labrador Ocean Current, LABRADOR, Labrador Ocean Current is cold current, while the Gulf Stream is a warm current. The ocean current influences the temperature condition of the area. Warm current brings warm temperature over land surface. The areas where the warm and the cold currents meet provide the best fishing grounds of the world. Seas around Japan and the eastern coast of North America are such examples. The areas where a warm and a cold current meet also experience foggy weather, making it difficult for navigation. We will see an activity. Fill 3/4 of the bucket with the tap water. Heat the water by putting an immersion rod on one side of the bucket. On the other side, introduce an icy tray just removed from the freezer. Add a drop of red ink to observe the path of current by the process of convection and see what happens. Now the chapter is over. We will see the exercise in the chapter. Question 1. Answer the following questions briefly. There are 6 questions. Question A. What is precipitation? Answer. Falling of moisture in the form of rainfall, snow, fog, sleet and hailstone is termed as precipitation. 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 What is water cycle? The water cycle is a process by which water continuously changes its forms and circulates between ocean, atmosphere and land. Question C. What are the factors affecting the height of the waves? Answer. Winds, earthquakes, volcanic eruption or underwater landslides are the factors affecting the height of the waves. The stronger the winds, the bigger the waves moves. Question D. Which factors affect the movement of ocean water? Temperature. Answer. Temperature, wind, gravitational pull of the sun, the earth and the moon, warm and cold currents are the factors that affect the movement of ocean water. Question E. What are the tides and how are they caused? Answer. Tides are the rhythmic rise and fall of ocean water that occur twice in a day. The strong gravitational pull exerted by the sun and the moon on the earth's surface causes the tides. Question F. What are the ocean currents? Answer. Ocean currents are streams of water flowing constantly on the ocean surface in definite directions. Now we will go to question 2. Give reasons. We have to give reason for 2 questions. First statement A. Ocean current is salty. Give reason. Answer. The water of the ocean is salty as it contains large amount of dissolved salts. B. The quality of water is deteriorating. Give reason. Water is being used injudiciously. 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 Whatever potable water is available, its quality is not good. It is because industrial effluents, EFFLUENTS, effluents and untreated water of industries get mixed into streams and rivers. Sewage water also get mixed into these water bodies. As a result, the quality of water is deteriorating day by day. Question 3. Tick the correct answer. Question A. The process by which water continuously changes its form and circulates between ocean, atmosphere and land. Answer is water cycle. B. Generally the warm ocean current originate near. Answer. Equator. C. The rhythmic rise and fall of ocean water twice in a day is called. Answer. Tide. Now question 4. Match the following. 1. Caspian Sea. Answer. Largest lake. 2. Tide. Periodic. Answer. Periodic rise and fall of water. 3. Tsunami. Answer. Strong seismic waves. SEISMIC. Seismic waves. 4. Ocean currents. Answer, streams of water moving along definite paths. Now question 5, this is for fun. Be a detective. The name of one river is hidden in each of the sentence below. Spot it. Example, Mandira, Vijayalakshmi and Surendra are my best friends. Answer, Ravi. Now we come to the questions. Hints. A. The snake charmer's bestie. Stables where horses are housed and the piles of wood all caught fire accidentally. Hint, another name of river, Brahmaputra. Answer, Ista. E-E-S-T-A, Ista. B. The conference manager put pad, materials for reading and a pencil for each participant. Hint, a distributary on the Ganga Brahmaputra delta. Answer, Padma. P-A-D-M-A, Padma. C. Either jealousy or anger cause a person's fall. Hint, name of a juicy fruit. Answer, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. D. Bhavani germinated the seeds in a pot. Hint, look for her in West Africa. Answer, Niger. N-I-G-E-R, Niger. E. I am a zonal champion now, declared the excited athlete. Hint, the river that has the biggest basin in the world. Answer, Amazon. A-M-A-Z-O-N, Amazon. F. The tiffin box rolled down and all the food fell in the dusty pathos. Hint, rises in India and journey through the Pakistan. Indus. I-N-D-U-S, Indus. G. Malini leaned against the pole when she felt that she was going to faint. Hint, her delta in Egypt is famous. Answer, Nile. N-I-L-E, Nile. H. Samantha mesmerized everybody with her magic tricks. Hint, London is situated on her estuary. Answer, Thames. T-H-A-M-E-S, Thames. I. In this neighborhood, please don't yell. Owners of these houses like to have peace. Warned my father when we moved into our new flat. Hint, color. Answer, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. J. Write the following words. Mark, on, go, in, said the teacher to the little boy in KG class. Hint, rhymes with bongo. Congo, C-O-N-G-A, Congo. Next, very short answer type questions. What is terrarium? Answer, it is an artificial enclosure for keeping small house plants. Question 2. Which type of water do the ocean bodies and the seas contain? They contain salty water. Question 3. What do you mean by salinity? Answer, salinity is the amount of salt in the grams present in 1000 grams of water. Question 4. What is the average salinity of the oceans? Answer, the average salinity of the ocean is 35 parts per 1000. Question 5. What is the salinity of Dead Sea? Answer, the salinity of Dead Sea is 45 parts per 1000. Why do swimmers float in Dead Sea? Answer, swimmers float in Dead Sea because the increased salt content makes it dense. Question 7. What is the significance of World Water Day? Answer, on the occasion of World Water Day, 22nd March, the need to conserve water is reinforced in different ways. Question 8. What is tsunami? T-S-U-N-A-M-I, tsunami. Answer, tsunami is a Japanese word that means harbor waves as the harbor gets destroyed whenever there is tsunami. Question 9. What happens during high ode? During high tide. During high tide, waves rise high and water covers much of the shore. Question 10. What happens during the low tide? Answer, during low tide, water falls to its lowest level and recedes from the shore. Question 11. What are the tides? How are the tides caused? Answer. The strong gravitational pull exerted by the sun and the moon on the earth's surface causes tides. Question 12. Name one warm current and one cold current. Answer. Warm current, the Gulf Stream. Cold current, the Labrador Ocean current. Question 13. What happened to the Indira Point during the tsunami of 2004? Answer. It got submerged. We will end with this.